take a shit.
Keep whining, keep whining. He's coming at you, he's coming at you. He's going to look you in the eye. Ah! He's coming like they're not going to go, oh, really? I don't think so.
Get him in, Bill. Come on, Bill.
This is the nicest fish we've caught all day. Here he comes. Woo! Keep it tight. Keep that line tight.
Hell yeah!
Keep that line tight.
That's a good fucking fish.
Beautiful.
Get a hold of it.
Come over here. Come on. How come Bernie's not yelling?
Go down and
He's not
Bernie's yelling at me!
pull up. There you go.
Come on!
We got the leader. We got
Pop him out there, Ricky. You got it.
Second right up.
Real. Walk over.
Come on, Bill. Come over here. Son of a bitch.